Hey there, it's Allie from Green Arts LLC. I just wanted to pop in with my deck calendula for a moment to let you know that fall is actually a really good time to start composting because the leaves are coming down, and in your compost mix, the biggest proportion of material that you need are what we call dry or brown sources of carbon, which is what dead leaves are. So if you have been thinking about composting and you're not sure like what sort of container you need or where you're going to fit it in or how you're going to hold up do the maintenance of it turning and stuff, and it seems overwhelming, I promise you it's not. That's why I do a workshop called There Is No Wrong Way to Rot. And I was reminded of that because I just got off the phone with someone that I met at a workshop back in the spring, and she wants to get her system set up this fall so she can make use of all those leaves. And she's going to call a bunch of neighbors, and they're going to come over, and we're going to get set up this weekend. So again, if that's something you've been thinking about, it is definitely not too late, even though it's sort of the end of the quote unquote growing season in sort of these northern latitudes. This is the perfect time to start, and I would love to help you. So get in touch with me. A lot of the workshops I do can be absolutely free because I am a volunteer master composter under the auspices of the University of Connecticut. If you are looking for more like hands-on, maybe a maintenance plan here and there, I basically work for tips under my own direction for private clients, because I just want people to be composting. So we can talk about pricing. It's very much a sliding scale, minimal thing, because I just want you to not be scared. You can totally handle it. And it's really important that more and more people at least participate in composting in some way and are not paying a corporation to truck it away, process it, and then sell it back to them. That's crazy. This is totally something anybody can do in any size lot, no matter what kind of resources you have. So let's do it. I would love to help you. Get in touch here on Instagram or any of the contact forms, which are on every single page and tab on my website, which is greenarts.shop. Okay, let's rot.